Oh, hi guys, we are live.
Yeah, we are.
Start
we
for the day. Good morning, good evening. Hi guys.
Hi,
Hi, Rodrigo.
Uh, okay, sorry for the delay. I'm trying to set up the things here.
no problem.
So I'll share my screen and also share the board. Uh, did you already talked about the project for today?
Yeah, the idea today is to try to use the PWM, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
the PWM or the encoder, right?
Sorry,
I think,
sorry.
right?
The
PW.
encoder. Yeah,
Okay, okay, okay.
I was with PWM in my head because the previous live
Yeah.
today. Yeah. So
So okay,
actually, George is going to show the board schematics and show how we can which pins we can use, for example, for the quadrature
o-
encoder.
okay. So let's stop the sharing and so
Yeah, you can.
George can show.
No, you can keep the show the for example the board.
Okay.
Okay, okay. George is already doing it. Okay, George. Just a sec. Let's move to. Okay, George, please go ahead. I think we first we need to look in the data sheet, right? Because we don't have the quadrature encoder device mounted in the board. So
George is muted, right? So don't
yeah, if you're
not sh-
talking, we are not listening.
I'm sorry, I was mounting the setup here. I don't listen what you're talking about. What you use it today?
The idea is to talk about the quadrature encoder, but as I mentioned, we don't have the quadrature encoder mounted in the board. So the
Mm-hmm.
idea is to use some pins that we can use to that, right? Some timer pin.
Okay.
And maybe if you can open the data sheet, or maybe if Rodrigo has the data sheets,
The data sheet of the MCU.
yeah, of this
Okay. Wait a minute. Let me find it.
F401.
166.
Uh, yeah, if,
Okay, wait a minute.
uh, George, maybe I think Rodrigo. Okay, you already got it because if you're
Oh,
facing,
if
yeah, okay.
Rodrigo is Rodrigo is ready there. This point.
No, you already opened it, right?
Okay.
We are synchronized.
Let me wait. Let me share the link with you.
Yeah, actually, just search for quadrature encoder and let's see the configuration so we can set up it correctly in our board.
Okay. Quadrature.
Yeah, quadrature encoder.
Okay. Quadrature support implemented.
Yep. Okay, still searching. I think all the
It's
timers support it, but
no, I think
no.
just timer one.
Yeah,
Timer timer one here. Okay.
yeah.
Support
The
incremental quadrature cover.
yeah.
oh,
This is something I don't like too much in the S.
Sorry. I think all the timers are the timer one, two,
Yeah,
three, four, five. Yes, I think all they support quadrature.
yeah. So
Uh,
now,
si- si- Seems like timer 2, 3, 4, and 5 has this capability. Checking the page, let me check here. 27. There's I'm sharing also, so
yeah,
just
let's move to your sharing just a second, George.
oh no, okay.
Okay.
Sorry,
No, no.
sorry.
We already did it, so we can see it now, Rodrigo.
Okay, so since like these 4 times is capable of handling quadrature encoder, so uh, do you think you can use these ones?
Mm-hmm.
How many do we need? Sorry to ask that, but I'm not familiar with this.
Just one quality encoder because we
Okay,
our idea is just to use one device.
so we need just one timer, right?
Yeah.
So let me check the which one is available in the board, right? So okay, timer. Okay, timer two. No, I think it's being used by. Uh, okay, so timer two, channel one, right?
Yeah.
Is in PA5.
TPA5
It's-
is already used. Let's check.
Since it's not, let's check here. Yeah, it seems not being used. PA5. See, oh, sorry, I didn't share. So,
Actually, we need two pins for the quadrature encoder. We use one is 90 degrees, 90 degrees uh, shifted from other or offsetted from another.
okay, so we need one more. It's a GPIO or it must be a timer as well. It must be configured as a.
Hmm? You configure like the two channels, for example.
Okay,
Yeah,
PA3.
I'm looking here how we did it in the blue pill, and in blue pill we use timer 4, and we enable quadrature encoder, define the quadrature encoder clock, filter, sample events, delay, and we use the PB6 and PB7. We cannot use PB6 and PB7, right? Just confirm. PB6, PB6 and
P-
PB7.
PB6 is the one connected to PWM,
Okay.
so you cannot use that. Uh,
Search, just search here the PB6 and PB7 in the schematic. Just not the schematic, in this data sheet.
okay, PB6.
PB6,
Okay,
yeah. It's timer 4 channel 1, and PB7 timer 4 channel 2. So
okay.
my idea is to use, you suggest the PA5, right?
Yes, PA5 is
PA5 should be
uh,
channel 1.
yes, timer 2, channel 1.
Yeah, and 6, no, should not be PV6. Should be timer 2, channel 2. What is? You can search timer 2, channel 2.
Yeah, okay. So it is,
Okay. 1 is here in PV3. Oh, wait. Go back.
okay. So,
Maybe we have another here to this, but mm,
but PB3 is connected to SWO, so
yeah, this is a, like
a puzzle.
a puzzle. We spend too
Yeah,
much time searching what what timer to use. Uh,
maybe you can check for the available pins here and check which so let's
I
say
I think
PA7.
I think George and Harrison dropped from the meeting.
Oh, what's happened?
I don't know what happened.
Uh,
Uh,
Are you still alive?
yeah, I
Not
think we are. We still alive.
so look, PA7 is so I'm looking here, right? So getting the options to see. So PA7 is also available. So it should be in the same timer to get the things easier, or
Yeah.
use different timers.
Okay.
Are you there? Sorry.
Yeah, sorry, I was replying George. He so now I'm go back because he
Is
faced some
everything
issues.
okay?
I
So
think I think so. Uh,
okay.
let you continue.
Hmm.
Sorry. What did you suggest?
So seems like you have available PA5 and PA7 available, but they are in different timers. So PA7 is timer one, channel one,
But
and
see,
PA5.
just a second. See, timer one, channel one, and the n at the end means it is inverted,
Okay.
so it's not
So
good for timer three, channel two. Yeah, PB6 and PB7 could be right.
PB6 is being used by PWM as well. The other circuit PWM. I'm getting from here, right? So
Mm-hmm.
PB6 is being used. My question was, can we use like the PA7 for timer 3 channel 2, use a different uh, timer, the timer 2 channel 1, and so you can use PA5, or both must be in the same timer in different channels.
Same timer and just
Okay,
near channels.
so let's check for other options here. PC4, PC5. Let's see if you have any timers available here. Hi George, welcome back.
I was checking the YouTube.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, so no, it's not possible. Let's see what you have in PC7. Okay, so here in PC7 you have the timer 3 channel 2, and I think the timer. Let's.
Oh, we can use, for example, timer 3, channel 2 in this PC7, and maybe timer 3, channel 1 in other available pin. Just search for timer 3, channel 1.
Yeah, I think the option here is to use. PA7 with uh,
The
timer 3, channel 2,
mm-hmm.
and the other one was the PC7.
But PC7 is channel 2 as well.
Yeah, same
I don't
channel.
like I don't like it. Every time
Uh,
the someone go out, okay, I will clip it.
okay, so let's see. PC9 not available.
Oh, it's still not working. Okay.
PB4. PB4 not available. Oh, PB4 is available. So let's see. PB4. So let's see if it could work. So PB4 is available. Okay, and PB4 timer 3 channel 1. Okay.
Okay, right now, let me write
Uh,
now here.
Okay.
Uh, PB4 channel timer 3 channel 1, right?
Yeah, and I think PB PA7 is
PA7
also timer 3. So let me check.
timer 3 channel 2. Yeah, I think this is okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
this is okay. We can do this way.
Oh, Alex, sometimes your voice is slow in the YouTube. Try
Yeah,
to speak closer to the microphone.
yeah. It's happened because my microphone is in my right side, but my monitor is in the it's far away in the left side, so I need to go there to to see the screen. So I need to
Ah, okay.
change my setup to put it near
Mm-hmm.
me next time.
Yeah, because in the YouTube sometimes it's really low your voice.
Yeah, it's I think it's very difficult to read this way, or maybe I don't know. Maybe I can just move the microphones from other to other place. Let's see. Oh, it's not good. I think it's not uh, it's not good to do change in production, right?
Yes.
uh, can you send me your annotations for the boards and timers,
Yeah,
please?
sure. I
Just put
yeah,
just put
I'll
a side
put it
note here.
here in the
Okay.
I'll I'll put here
So
in the live in the chat.
okay, thanks. So let's. So I already synced my repository and also created the branch. So
Okay,
everything should be ready for coding. Let me open the VS Code here.
right.
Please let me know if the size is okay for you guys.
Yeah, seems nice.
Okay. So as usual, I think we can copy from another board
Hmm.
that already support that. Do you have any recommendation for any board?
Oh, let's see. I think for quadrature encoder we have only I don't know. I think for STM32F4 Discover board we have it, but let me double
So
check.
okay, let me.
STM32F4. Let me search inside STM32F4. Key timer. Yeah, we have many boards actually. I was thinking it's not supported or only few boards. For example, you have Micro E, STM32F4. We have, yeah, as I said, STM32F4 Discover board. Yeah, I suggest you to copy from the STM32F4 Discovery board.
Okay. Uh,
Actually, it's only the board quadrature encode initialized because it used the common board initialization.
so no specific file here for the.
No, actually, there is a specific file, but it's inside common source STM32 quadrature encoder.c. If you can open it, it's inside board ARM STM32 common
Okay.
source STM32 kencoder.c. qencoder.c, sorry.
Sorry, I think I so just a second. So SM32 common and board and no, not board. I think source first, right? Source.
Source
Yeah.
STM32 Q encoder.
Right. So this is a common file for all the STM32
Yeah, yeah,
boards that they use. So
exactly.
we need to.
Just call this function, passing the device number is 0 because it will be QE0 slash dev slash QE0 and the timer number that we are using. In our case, should be the timer 3.
Okay. So let's go back to the discovery, and you can copy this code from there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Source board bring they bring up.
Yep.
Okay. Let's search for encoder. Oops.
Just open the STM32 F4 discovery board source, bring up, and you find the initialization there.
Okay. So is that so? I need this one, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So let's start to copying this to our board. So here is it. Source bring up, and we can define this here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And not sure why they didn't keep the other file open, but that's okay. Uh, I need to. Okay, so now this code here, that one that you said to.
0, yeah. We just need to define this quadrature encoder, this config. Actually, it in the discover board is a kconfig. If you open the STM32 board kconfig in that board configuration, you see there's a symbol or a menu entry to select this um, STM32 discovery board. But in our case, because we are using the quadrature encoder fixed for these pins,
Mhm.
because we don't have many options, we can just define it. We can just create the STM32F401RC underscore uh, key timer, define the symbol time key timer as 3. So it will initialize the timer 3 for us.
Uh, do you mean define that in your board
Yeah,
dot eight?
in not in board.8, in the board that is inside this in this source, because it is with
Uh,
the STM32 F1 of STM32F401RC RS485.H. That yeah,
Okay.
just define that symbol. You can copy it there to, or yeah, go. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Sorry. Remove config. Sorry, my
Yes.
confusion. We don't need this config.
So just this, but you need to change the
Yeah,
board name, right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So just
Define.
I think okay. I could put then
Yeah,
a
after
comment
some.
here
Yeah, after
after that.
PWM. Yeah, quadrature encoder.
Oops.
Uh,
I can thinking a good comment later.
okay.
Okay, so let's define. Uh, oops.
The board name
Okay, you copy here.
and yeah,
Oops.
yeah,
No.
yeah. It could be. Yeah, just keep the quadrature encoder at the end.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay, let's remove this PWM term. It's not here. And here you need to pass the.
Number three.
You are using the channel, the timer tree, right?
Yeah,
And now you can use this
yeah.
here.
Actually, I think we will have another issue because we are also use the timer tree for PWM, but don't care. We are not we don't no problem with that.
For now.
Yeah, for
Okay.
now because
Just for the cases if someone want to use both at the
yeah,
same time,
yeah.
so
Maybe you can put some warning here. This timer is already used for PWM, so take care. Something like that.
okay. I will
Yeah,
do a
just write quadrature encoder. The timer, this timer tree is also used. Yeah, by
okay. Uh, I will change that later. Okay, to a good text.
yeah.
Okay. So for now, I passed it here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so you don't have a new file, so you don't need to change the make file or say make list.
Yeah.
Uh, what else? Maybe we need to include here the, we already did, right? The first thing we did is to include the border key encoder.8. Anything else here or just need to configure now?
Yeah, I think that's all. Now we just need to configure.
Okay, so let me bring here my terminal and you can make here a make dist clean. Let me put it in. Is everything okay? You can see in the YouTube is okay?
Yeah,
I
I
will
think
check
so.
it.
yeah,
I think so because it's the same. Uh, it's the same font size as last week, so should be okay. So let's start by using the USB NSH as you don't want to connect a extra cable here.
yeah. You can,
Okay.
yeah, you can try also uh, make dash j this clean as time because it is faster. So it is
Okay, so they do multiple threads, right?
yeah for this clean as well. Okay,
Okay.
now we can
Maybe,
configure our board. I think we can use like last week. Use the no configure right.
I think there's some delay in my
Ah
because I
yeah,
already did.
yeah, no, okay, no
Okay,
problem.
do you want to? I
Yeah,
can do it again, no
no, no,
problem.
no, it's okay.
Okay, so here. What do we need to include in the config?
Yeah, go to system type
System type.
and STM32 peripheral
Okay, peripheral support.
peripheral support. Select the timer tree, the team
Yes, timer 3.
team tree. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Okay. Think you need to go back.
Hmm.
Entering timer configuration, move down in timer configuration.
Okay,
Time, yeah.
here it is.
And yep, I think you need to enable the timer tree capture.
Okay,
Uh,
need to.
just a second. I think we don't need. Yeah. Uh, Instead of disable the
Okay,
capture, just search for the STM32 underscore. No, you this. I don't like this interface because that you need to search the entire symbol. I think I'm not sure. Sometimes you cannot use config or or you need to use config. I never remember.
so need to
Try
do
try
this way.
try again. Search.
But
Search for the
I didn't.
symbol. Let's try without use config. I think we cannot use the config. It should be like you are doing, actually.
Okay, so this.
Yeah, in uppercase STM32
Okay,
underscore uh, team 3 underscore QA from Quadrature Encoder. QA.
okay,
Yeah, QA. Press enter. It's already there. Um, but where is it?
if I go up, oh
I
no.
don't. This this is very confused for me. Maybe George, can you help me here? Where is the symbol is
I
defined? I hate this kconfig
how
Python fucking something.
how symbol you will need to
How
find.
can I disable that? Maybe I can disable, Alan, no problem.
I don't know.
But if George can help as well, no problem, George. If you
George, we are searching for this STM32 Team3 underscore QE. When
Type in the console, git grep, type
Yeah,
it there.
no, yeah, but I was thinking because when do you do it in the kconfig front end that's not based on Python, it shows exactly where the symbol is defined. But here we cannot find it.
Mm,
Where
ah,
is defined?
mm,
Where is it defined? Enable quadrature encoder
it,
time. It's very
I
confusing.
I don't remember now. It's not like there special command that you need to add. For example, have a PWM, have encoder.
No, I don't think so. I think it's.
uh,
Let me do it here. Just a second. Maybe
okay.
it's easier if I do it for this board
So
here.
I changed the. There is a toggle show name in mode. Not sure if it helps. You
I think
see
you
there.
need to disable the kconfig lib or something like that to return to the
Mhm.
older lib, because this kconfig front end in Python is very bad. It's not
Okay,
smart as the other. But don't you worry with it now. I can select the board.
okay.
Don't worry.
So just let me know.
How is the name of the symbol that you find it? STM32 underscore.
Completation.
Uh, I think is oh sorry guys.
Yeah, I think you dropped. Okay, you. It's strange because both dropped at the same time. You and George. Maybe it's my connection. I don't know.
No,
I,
no, that in my case was my mistake. I pressed the wrong button here.
uh, I'm face some issue even with the board name STM32F401RC dash RS485 boards. STM32 STM30. Oh, okay, I know. Already five. Okay. Um, maybe I can. Let me share my screen. Let's
Sure.
see. Let's see if I can do it. Uh, share the window. Ah, crazy. I don't know. I think I need to go back here. Third screen. I never know what is one, what is two. Okay, let's see. Entire screen, screen two. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Just your mouse, but not the screen. Not what's it's
Uh,
black and your little mouse. Okay,
yeah.
yeah,
Let's disable it. I don't know. Okay. Uh, Actually, it's not when I select to show the window. It don't show the. Uh, it's only the show only the screen for the Chrome, not the my terminal screen. Okay, don't worry. But I will just search it here. It's better. Rodrigo, if you can share again your make menu config your screen. So I go to system type like we did, STM32 peripheral support, and I will select the timer tree. I go back and search for STM32 underscore team3 underscore QE. Okay, it is inside system type STM32 key encoder driver. So it's not inside timer driver like I was thinking. It's a separated. So you can exit this search. Okay, go back to system type.
oh, sorry, I was in mute. So now it's showing. Okay,
Yeah, just go
let's go
back. I
back.
think you need to press yeah
No,
ask. No,
okay.
cancel.
Oh,
You save, but you
s-
didn't save.
sorry for
No
that, guys.
problem.
The no in my intention was to not to to go out, but okay. So let's do the
Yeah.
again.
Now let's do
So
it. Sorry, uh, my issues. Now
No
let's do
problem, no
it.
problem.
Select timer
So
3.
timer three, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Now we can do it more.
okay. Timer configuration. Do we need to configure anything here?
No, actually, it's other option, not in timer, in quadrature encoder.
Okay. Quadrature code. Oh, no, I didn't see if it passed, but I don't think so. Okay, enable MPU.
Let's go back to it. Sorry, maybe.
Well, is it in the peripheral support?
Yeah, should be. Maybe
Uh,
it requires some other configuration. Let look here. Okay, it required ARM, STM32. Oh, I see. I see what why it's not enabled. We need to go to sensors encoder first because it only show up here if the sensor is enabled. I think we need to change it because it's not the way like the menu config should be configured, because you cannot enable it if you don't enable the driver. It doesn't make sense because I think you need to enable it first and then enable the driver, like we do for PWM and for all others. So
so I need to go back here.
yeah, go to device driver,
Okay.
device drivers.
Yeah.
By the way, hello Jonathan. I just see Jonathan enter in our meeting. Sorry for my delay to send the link. Okay, go ahead.
No problem. Hi guys. How's it
Hi,
going?
Jonathan. Okay. So here, do I need to configure this? You said
Yeah,
sensors,
go
right?
to sensors. Move down. Search for yeah, sensor
Sensor device
driver. Enable
support.
it. Enter inside it,
Okay. Okay.
and now go to key encoder. Q encoder.
Okay.
Yeah, enable Q encoder. That's all. Now
Okay.
you can go back.
Okay. System type again, right?
Yeah. Now we will see it when you go.
That
It will exist now.
for timer key encoder driver.
Yeah,
Is that one?
exactly. Go
Okay.
there. Enable string tree, thing tree
Okay.
QE.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. For I have the configuration for the F4 Discover board. Let's see if we change some of these parameters. No, we don't change the pulse prescale. Um, okay, sampling sampling frequency is 4, events count is 6. Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's go back.
exactly.
Need to enable application, right?
Yeah,
There's
application configuration. Go to examples and go to quadrature encoder. By the way, I hope it works because we never test it in this board. So today it will be like a shot in the dark, but
that's okay.
if everything is
Uh,
correct, it should
okay,
work.
this one, right?
Yeah. And quadrature delay, yeah, one 100, quadrature 0, that's correct as well. Okay. Now there is another detail that we need to double check. We need to have common board enabled, otherwise that call for board initialization will not work. So
Mm.
go back there.
Okay, just the number of sample is 0. Is that right?
Um, um, I think when it's zero, go to help. When it's zero, it's not it's not limited to number of samples. You
Okay.
It's like forever.
Hmm.
It's like running all the time. But you can, if you
Okay.
want, you can just put, for example, 100 or the value. But we don't.
Let's keep it this way.
Yeah, we don't need
Let,
to change this value.
okay, so I need to enable common, right?
Yeah, go. Yeah, go to board selection and verify. Yeah, board common logic. You need to enable it
Okay.
because as you remember, we are not creating a file to it, right? We are just
Yeah.
using common board.
Yeah.
This initialization is common for all boards, so we just
Okay.
say we have it, and
Anything else?
no, that's all.
So let's press
Save.
yes this time.
And
And let's make, right?
yeah.
Before that, or while we are making or building,
Mm-hmm.
we need to think about
The wiring, right?
the wiring, the hardware.
Yeah.
So we have here, we
Yeah.
have clock DT SW plus and GND.
Can you show in the camera? Put the camera off your board and so you
Let's
can show wiring.
let's see.
Oh,
Let's
we missed other thing. See the error. We didn't define the pins. You copy the pins, right? The PA7 and PB3. I don't remember.
PB4 PA7. PB4 is team 3, channel 1, PB7 is team 3. I'm getting for our chat here. Okay, so let's go back to you can do the harder thing later, and let's let's go back to the code.
Yeah.
So uh, the GPIO team 3 channel declared here.
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
search for it here. Sorry, here.
Oh, one, do you select the channel of the timer correctly? For example, when you enable the timer 7, by default enable the channel 1.
Yeah, I think the quadrature encoder, see, use the channel 1 and channel 2 by default.
No, do you? I think you need to select and then make menu config, right or not?
But only for PWM. For this one, for quadrature encoder, the driver do it for us automatically.
Hmm. Okay. I think it's better you search using the git grep
Yeah,
in the console of VS Code.
yeah. Go back there, GPIO, STM. Go back
Okay.
to error
Uh,
code, please.
yeah, sure.
GPIO, trim, team 3, channel 1 in. Let me search here for timer 4. Okay, git grep. Yeah, you need to do it in your board.h. And for example, for Nucleo, they are using the uh, thing 4, the timer 4, and they define the, yeah, go to your board, include board.h.
Okay. Board. Yeah, this one, right? Okay. You mean I need to define here, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
Maybe you can copy it from other board. Let's see.
Oh, Alan, do you check if this value is not the other macro?
Uh, Sorry, George. What do you mean?
This value that is the error is the final macro or
No,
exists
no.
other defined?
Is a macro that you define because it's not a symbol in the. If you look in the other board, like the nucleo H743 ZI2, uh,
Mm-hmm.
include
Okay.
board.h, you find the symbol for the GPIO
Okay.
uh, timer one, channel one.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay, no problem. I think it's probably they use two defines, and maybe this error is the first defined it. Define.
no, no. Uh, we just need to define now the pin, Rodrigo.
Okay.
So open the pin map so we can get this GPIO timer 3 channel 1. So we
Hmm.
first need the pin uh, configured to the pins we are using, the pin name, the right pin naming.
Okay. So let's go there.
Yeah, go to ARM,
R
yeah, ARM,
R.
source, STM32, hardware.
You are using so F4,
F4.
the legacy one, right?
Yeah, because we are not using the. We need to change
Oh,
now to the other first. Yeah. Uh, just move the scroll, the horizontal scroll to see this pin's definition.
okay.
Yeah. The second one, PB4,
Okay. So it's
is under underscore two.
yeah. So this symbol here, right?
Yeah. Copy it to your board.
So we need to define. Let oops. Uh,
Oh no, actually is inside include board.h.
yeah. Sorry. Here, right?
Yeah.
So we need to define something,
Yeah.
i- and this
Exactly.
something here is that symbol that is failing, right?
Yeah, but actually, I just noted you put this as output. It should be input. You
Oh,
search the
sorry.
wrong symbol there.
Yeah.
Press Ctrl Z
So
to disable to.
let,
Yeah,
let me
see.
just copy this
Yeah,
symbol here,
exactly.
and then I can paste here.
Mm-hmm.
Let me remove it. Oh, sorry.
Probably should be true as well because they follow
Uh,
some standard.
it's the same here. Just I just prepare things here, and then we can
Yeah,
copy. So this is this channel 2,
yeah.
and this is not
Remove.
what we want for now. Let me check in the pin map.
Yeah.
And timer 3,
Go
channel 1
go to
in.
the channel one underscore two. I think that is it.
Channel 1.
Input. You are still in output.
Okay, you mean here, right?
No.
One of these three.
Yeah. Yeah. The second one. Yeah. Sorry.
Uh,
It's the PB4. Yeah. This one.
so just change for this one.
Mm-hmm. Just
The
copy it and put there.
okay.
Put over there and.
And now we need to define for channel 2. Let's
Mm-hmm.
go there. Channel 2 in should be this one, but let's double check.
No, the first.
No, the first.
Yeah.
So this one
It's only
here.
standard when for the same pin, not for different pin. Yeah.
Okay,
That should be right now. Yeah. That's
let's
all.
make it.
Save it. Did you save?
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone drop it again. So,
I think George, maybe he's trying to look
oops.
the YouTube.
Okay. Hmm. The cloud here.
What? Wait, wait, wait. Oh, timer two. Wait, why is saying timer two? Okay, it's just suggesting because we didn't find it. But you just did it right now, correct?
So let down that. Oh no.
Uh, just
Uh,
make just to do. Okay,
Let me check if. Oh, it's here.
yeah, it's correct. I suppose it's not compiling it because we didn't clean up. Just run make clean before run make again.
Okay.
Yeah,
This.
I suppose there's some missing dependence in this code.
No.
No, it's not. It's not missing dependence. We did something wrong. I don't know yet why it's not find it. The encoder is correct.
GPIO. Let me double check the name, right? So,
Yeah, then you can you, you can grab
yeah.
the name sounds correct.
GPIO timer 3 channel 2 in GPIO timer 3.
And it works for other board. Why in our board is missing it? Probably it's missing some include, but I don't know why it's missing.
So, do you think we can try to build the discovery board just to check if it's same error?
Yeah, could be. I can do it here just to confirm because I just
Okay.
enable it. Just a second.
Yeah, sure. Uh,
But try to see. Um, try to find why this board.h is not included. Maybe timer tree.
Let me do this for. I will check the board.8 here in the.
Yeah, I think it should be in the quadrature encoder driver. Maybe it needs to include the board, but it is strange because it works for the board.
So why the discovery board didn't define this here
Sorry,
in the board.h from then?
don't define what?
So we are defining the pings in your board.8, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what well
But
we
because
just did.
the name is different, it's not ping timer tree.
But so I'm going to the discovery board.8, and they didn't define this symbol here, or even
Search
uh,
just search only from the end. For example, ch1 in, for example, or
okay,
not only the discover, but searching other boards as well.
okay. I will start for this one. ch1 in don't have. Let me get another board. You you mentioned the micro E, micro E, right?
Yeah, you can just grab for the uh, git grab key encoder.
Okay.
Q encoder inside.
Okay. Uh, uh, but okay. Uh, Git grep, Q encoder, everything together.
Uppercase.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can
Mhm.
still pressing enter.
Okay. Discovery.
Oh yeah, in the discover I see the same happen for timer 3 channel 1 and timer 3 channel 2.
So it's also failing for you.
Yeah,
Uh,
in the um, but I don't know if it has the okay. It's failing because it expecting the timer. Let's see, timer 4. What is used? Timer 2
you
and
mean let
yeah,
me.
timer 2 is defined. Timer 2 channel 1 VI board. You can go to VS Code, STM32, STM32F4 discover, include board.h, and search for, yeah, that's it. GPIO timer 2 channel 1 in. Did you find it in the STM32F4 discover board?
So okay. So say again, please.
Um,
Is
GPIO
STM. Okay. GPIO.
GPIO underscore
Oops, sorry.
timer 2 underscore
But I
pin
think
2.
I'm trying to find in the wrong place because I
I
didn't
You are in
even this
board, you
symbol.
are in discover, it's include board. Maybe you put in the wrong place.
Uh, oh yeah.
Yeah, I remember I told you. I told you. No, it's not in board. It's include board.h. And I think you did it.
So
No
yeah,
problem.
sorry.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
No,
so
but see,
at, l-
you put in
at
board.
least we know
Uh,
the problem, right?
yeah, but
So
you put it right now, right? Or it.
no, it's still wrong. So uh, even this one here, the the timer number, do I need to move this for boards.8 as well?
I mm, no, this is not necessary because this one is using only in the bring
Okay.
up.
Okay, so
Only
these
this one
two
because
definitions
this
here.
one is used in the driver. It's is system wide, so it need
Hmm.
to be accessed outside your board configuration. So when
Okay.
you need to put it for everything in the system, find it, you put inside include board. When you want it to be used only in your board, you put inside your board name.h.
Hmm.
Okay, now it work. Now it will find it. You can save
It
and
should
go
work.
back there.
Okay, let's make.
Make dash J again.
Okay,
Here
so
we go.
let's go. Let's go to the
Way
hardware
better now.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry for that.
you can put the camera or put, yeah, open the camera. Good.
Are you guys able to see the camera, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we have the clock, DT, SW plus, and GND.
Yeah.
How to wire that for the board. There's a
Um,
little lag here.
yeah.
Sorry for that.
But I can see you connect GND to GND, 3.3
Okay.
to this plus symbol.
Okay. So I'll do that.